Thank you very much, Janine. Oras na para kilalanin ang best performer for this week. Nasa mga kamay ni Judge Jaya ang kanyang pangalan.
Judge Jaya?
Judge Jaya!
Yes! Okay, since I have the winners.
First time to, first time.
Oo. First time for best performers.
First time na dalawa ang mananalo. Nahirapan talaga kami pumili.
Medyo mahirap kasi from team 1 to lahat ng teams, meron kaming napili talaga eh. But we had to choose. And then from nag-squeeze in ng lahat, nakapili pa rin dalawa. So this is the first time best performers are Kylie Padilla.
Wow!
And?
Congratulations. And
Congratulations, Kylie.
Mark Bautista.
Thank you, Marcus.
Congrats sa inyo.
Sayang kung meron sana best in bull riding. Chris Bernal.
Chris na yun.
Congratulations sa inyo!
Congratulations!
Oh, now it's time to announce the winner for Best Team Performance. Judge Pops,
Ang
sino po
masasabi
ito?
ko lang, I think this is my 4th time to judge here, no? So the 4 times that I've been here, napansin ko talaga, pagaling ng pagaling yung effort ng lahat ng teams. I mean, we're talking from the set, to the concept,
Music,
costume, makeup, talaga namang pinaghihirapan nila.
musicality,
So,
choreography.
musicality, pati yung choices of songs. And most importantly, and I think this counts a lot, alam mo, yung participation ng audience natin, yung live audience natin, nararamdaman talaga natin yung excitement nila as well as the viewers also. So, palakpak naman po, maraming salamat po.
Enjoy ba kayo?
Ngayon, since 4 times na akong nagja-judge dito, I have to say that number 4 is very significant for today. You know why? Because apparently, this is their 4th time to win. Congratulations, Tropang Trending!
Tropang Trending!
Congratulations, Tropang Trending! At hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang announcement sa araw to. Team leaders, team members, and so listen very carefully. Dahil next week, kayo ay sasailalim sa pamumuno ng bagong set of team leaders. Are you listening?
Bago na leaders, Heart?
Yes! Sasailalim sa pamumuno ni Rachel Ann Go ang Tropang Trending! And Winwin Marquez will now lead Instagram.
That is right. Ang Tweet Heart sa pamumuno na ngayon ni Seth Cadayona.
Yun.
At ang Ligang I Like pangungunahan na ni Aldra Brenica.
Galing.
Yan ang mga